If you're living in Nigeria, and more importantly, if you live abroad, NIN issue is always an issue that you may have to battle with at different times. So this NIN video is specially made for Nigerians living abroad, but it's also helpful if you live in Nigeria. I made this video to show you how to solve your NIN issues without leaving your house. And if your own issue is about fresh enrollment, either living in Nigeria or abroad, then keep watching. So before I show you how to enroll your NIN, if you have any NIN issue, either you are in Nigeria or abroad, maybe you need to print out your NIN slip, you need to make NIN modification, NIN verification, whichever, and you don't have the luxury of going to NIMC offices, or maybe you are even living abroad, then you can reach out to me using the WhatsApp chat number in the video description, and let's see how we can help you fix your NIN issues. But if yours is how to enroll your NIN, either you're living abroad or even in Nigeria, then let's get onto my laptop and let me show you how to enroll your NIN. Alright, so what you want to do is that you want to just open your browser, type in this particular URL. I will leave the link to that URL in the video description. Click it and it's going to bring you up to this point. And as you can see, this is the enrollment page where you can get the particular place to register your NIN or to enroll for your NIN, irrespective of where you are living around the world. So you can see in this search bar, you can select by country and you can also select by location. So if I come in here, you will see that all the countries are well represented here. So let's assume that I'm living in, okay, let me just go with, let me go with the United Kingdom. So I'll scroll all the way down to find my country of residence. So if I'm in the United Kingdom, I'm just going to choose United Kingdom here. And once I choose that, you can see here that we have 196 locations in the United Kingdom. So you can just go ahead and find your location. Okay, so as you can see here that you will have to physically go to make this registration. So you can call these people because these are NIMC accredited companies that can help you enroll your NIN. So you can either call them, you can send emails, and then you can also physically or directly go to their website to check up on more information about how to get to them. And as you can see here, you can actually see the distance from your location. Okay, so another thing you can do to get locations that are closer to you. So let's assume that I am living in Manchester City, for example, and I want locations that are close to Manchester City or that are in Manchester City itself. I'll just come in here and then I'll choose Manchester. Okay, and then I'm going to search for Manchester. Okay, so as you can see here, I have 8 locations near Manchester where I can actually go to get my NIN enrolled. Okay, so this is how to do it. Choose your country and go ahead and enroll. So what we are saying here is that for you to get your NIN enrolled, you need to visit these physical offices. But then there are several other NIN issues around modification, NIN verification, and several other issues that you may not be able to do either in physical office, or you don't even have the luxury of trying to locate a physical office. If you have any of such problems, you can chat me up using the WhatsApp chat number in the video description, and let's see how we can help you to solve any of your NIN needs. So if you have any of such problem, I'll be waiting for you on WhatsApp. Let's talk about it and let's see how we can help you fix it. So please like this video. If you do, YouTube is going to recommend it to more persons that are looking for this kind of information. You can also directly help me share this video across your social media platforms, because I know that there are quite a number of persons that would love to see this kind of information, and people that need help around these issues can always be helped if you let them see the videos. And if you are not yet subscribed to this channel but you want to see more marketing and help videos like this one, hit the subscribe button, turn on the alert bell so that YouTube will recommend my videos to you anytime I publish them. I'll see you in the next one.